second question of exercise 4.2. In this question it is said that we have to solve the example 1 which is given into the textbook. So basically two sums which we'll do today, that is of example 1. In the textbook they have not solved it, they just formed the equation, but we have to solve it. So let's see what the first question. It is said that there are two persons, John and Jivanti. Together they have 45 marbles. Both of them they lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles now what they have is 124. So now we have to find out that how many marbles at the initial they have. So as we discussed, we have to find out the values. So let the number of marbles John has, so let us consider as X, and Jivanti. So how many Jivanti has? Total marbles are 45. So that must be 45 minus X as we discussed, because the total marbles are 45. They are 45. Now to form the equation, at the beginning it says that both of them they lost 5 marbles. Now both of them lost 5 marbles. As they lost 5 marbles, let's find out the number of marbles they have. Now number of marbles John has after lost 5 marbles. At the initial he has X, so he lost 5. And Jivanti, she has 45 minus X marbles and she again lost 5. So it becomes 40 minus X marbles. Now this is what right now they have the marbles. Now the product is given. Product of the marbles what they have right now is 124. That means the number of marbles John has and number of marbles Jivanti has is 124. So let's get the standard form of this by multiplying. So X multiply with both the terms. So we will obtain 40X minus X square. Minus 5 multiply with both the terms. We are multiplying with minus. So the sign has to be changed. Plus 5 is, I am taking this left hand side, minus 124 equals to 0. Let's keep this term as it is. So it is X square. As it is minus, so we will keep it minus X square. These two are like terms we have. So plus 45. And these are the another like terms. Both are equal sign, minus 324. Now remember students, we should never keep the coefficient negative. So let's take out minus sign common. So X square minus 45X plus 324 equals to 0. When we take out minus outside, you can see that I have changed the sign of each and every term. Now I'll take minus right hand side. So now this is what the equation remains. Now we have to get the solution. As it is the standard form of quadratic equation in quadratic equation. So now let's get the factors of 324. हम prime factors निकालेंगे which is compulsory. 2 1s are 2 6 are 2s are 2 8s and 1s are 327 39 33 and 31. So you can see that the prime factors are 2 2 times and 3 4 times. Now let's get 45 by addition. If I'll take first 3 terms, so you can see the product is 12 and the last 3 it is 27. But if you observe that we have to get 45 by addition, which is not possible. If I'll add this 2, I'll get 39. So these are not the value or these are not the correct factors which are required to fulfill this equation. So I need to change this. Now what I'll do, I'll take first 4, then rest 2. So it is 3 3s are 9, 4s are 36 and 3 3s are 9. Now look at this, the product must be this and look at the addition is 45. So the required factors are minus 36 minus 9 is minus 45. So now as the coefficient of X square is 1, we can direct write that X minus 36x, X minus 9 are the factors. So the value of X is 36 and the value of X is 9. Now let us see, we have to find out the number of marbles they have. So now if I'll take X is 36. So that means the number of marbles John has, X, so it is 36. And Jivanti, she has 45 minus X. So 45 minus 36, so 9. Now, if I say that X is 9, so now the number of marbles John has, as it is X, so it is 9. And Jivanti, that is 45 minus X. So 45 minus 9, that is 36. Students, in their question, they have not given who has more marbles. So it is compulsory, we need to find out both the values. Fine? Thank you. Let's go for the second number. That is of example 1, which is the second question. It is said that a cottage industries produce a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So remember students, there are two quantities. How many toys are produced and the cost of each toy. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on each day. So as we discussed, there are two values. So let the number of toys produced on that day, that is X. Now which is another quantity? The cost of each toy. Cost of each toy. See, it is very good relation given with this. As we read the question, the cost of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced. 55 less, that is minus X. So this is the cost, so we can write as a unit rupees. Now it is given that the total cost of production. Total cost of production. कैसे मिलेगा? Let us see this. X toys produced and the cost of each toy is this. So when we do the product of this, आप समझ लो students, एक टॉय की प्राइस सपोज 10 रुपए है और टोटल हमने 10 टॉयज बनाए, तो टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होगा? 10 into 10. So total cost produced must be the product of this two. That means the number of toys produced and cost of each toy. So that is 55x minus x square. In the question they have given the total cost of toys production, that is 750. So nothing, we have to just compare this two. So it is 55x minus x square is 750. As we discussed earlier that we should never keep the coefficient of x square negative. So we are taking both the terms right hand side. So x square become positive, this become negative. And 750. Now we have 750. So let us find the prime factors of 750. So let's see, 10 is there. So 2 and 5 is one of the factor. 75. So that is 25 threes are. So this is how I have done orally. कैसे किया? 75. So 25 threes are. And 10, that is 2 fives are. Now we have to get 55 by addition. Let's see that how we can obtain 55 by doing the addition of this factors. So let us see this. Let's do the product of first this. 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30 and 5 5s are 25. So we obtain here that minus 30 minus 25 is minus 55. So as the coefficient of x square is 1, we can direct write the factors. One factor is x minus 30 and another factor is x minus 25. So we can say that the value of x is 30 or the value of x is 25. So there are two possible answers we obtain. So we can say if number of toys produced on such day is 30. So the cost of each toy, as it is not mentioned, we have to find out. So it is 55 minus 30, that is 25. Now if number of toys produced is 25 because both the possible values are there. So the cost of each toy is again 55 minus 25, so it is 30. So again students, it is not mentioned what we have to find out. That means which one is greater value. So both possible values we need to find it out. Thank you.